Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing an editable copy so you can undo mistakes. Once you have access, back up the original text or capture a screenshot. Next, open the item and enter text edit mode. Place the cursor where emoji appear. You'll remove emoji one cluster at a time. Use the delete key for single emoji or long press to select multiple. Make sure to avoid deleting surrounding punctuation or words. Precise selection preserves sentence flow and saves time when you proceed. Now focus on efficiency. If you're on mobile, long press and drag to select contiguous emoji and tap delete. That's faster than tapping each one. Once done, switch to desktop for bulk cleanup. Copy the text into a text editor and use a find/replace with an emoji-aware pattern or standard emoji ranges to strip them out. Make sure to review line breaks and spacing after replacement, because removing emoji can leave double spaces or dangling punctuation that you'll want to fix. Finish by carefully reviewing the edited text. Correct spacing, punctuation, and tone so the message reads naturally without emoji. Once satisfied, save or repost and confirm the change on another device to ensure it propagated. If emojis reappear, clear the app cache or disable emoji suggestions on your keyboard. Sometimes autocorrect reinserts characters. If that fails, revert to your backup, repeat the desktop rejects cleanup, and then paste the clean text back into the app to complete the removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.